When we first open the system, we see the main dashboard for hotel management. As we can see, this dashboard summarizes the full hotel status: daily bookings, occupied rooms, available rooms, and check-in and check-out statuses. The interface is designed to give you a quick and complete overview of operations without going into complicated details. Now, let's move to the customer side. This is the hotel website interface, directly connected to Odoo. The customer selects the check-in and check-out dates, and the available rooms appear immediately with their prices and images. Once the customer chooses a room, fills in their details, and clicks Confirm Booking, the whole process is completed online without any manual intervention from the reception team. Here is the real strength of the system. It is not only connected to your website, but also integrated with global booking platforms such as Booking.com and Expedia. Once a booking is made on any of these platforms, the system instantly pulls the data and synchronizes it. As we can see in the Sales module, the booking has been automatically created as a sale order, and the source field shows that it came from an external platform. This completely prevents scheduling conflicts or double booking the same room. When we open the booking, we can start managing the internal details. We assign the room number to the guest and track the room's status, whether it needs cleaning or maintenance. The system is connected to the Housekeeping module, so once the guest checks out, the room status automatically changes to dirty, and the cleaning team is notified to start their work. Once cleaning is completed, the room status changes back to ready in the system and across the booking platforms at the same time. At this stage, we can see how any additional services requested by the guest during their stay are added, whether meals, drinks, or transportation. All of these are reflected in the final folio. In the end, all these transactions are automatically converted into accounting entries inside the accounting module. This gives you accurate profit and loss reports for each room and each branch with the minimum possible manual effort.